costly item which has been waiting in our wish list for a long time. Suddenly, we decide to purchase it for our family members or for us. Not because we have the availability of funds and not because a sale is going on, but on a certain day when our emotions are high, our sentiments are high. Happens with everyone, right? Stock markets. Deep analysis shows that stock market behave more based on sentiments of people. So when the trust and the sentiments are high, people invest in good amount and stock market does a bull run. It has been observed that people who have a constant happy emotional state are able to remain happy with even IBS symptoms. So please do the self discovery and find out what makes you really happy, emotionally charged. And one thing to remember is that once you are able to extract time every day for doing that habit, don't limit yourself, challenge yourself, and set milestones. Remain in that uncomfortable zone so that your emotional state is able to adjust to this uncomfort zone, and this will make your mind muscle more and more stronger and will help you to do something which was not possible before. The reason for creating this inspirational videos because I feel elevated when I inspire people around the world to become IBS free, and this is my emotional recharging moment. And that's why it helps me to elevate my emotional state, connect to myself, and to express with that people so that they are able to come out of IBS too. So take care.